Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Taskbar settings because that's where control lives. Right-click the taskbar and open Taskbar settings. Once done, scroll to the notification area. You will see two links: turn system icons on or off, and select which icons appear on the taskbar. Click the second link. This lets you remove icons from the overflow by toggling their switches off. Make sure to disable Always Show All Icons so Windows returns them to the hidden overflow. Now you'll customize individual icons. Flip each app's switch to decide if it appears on the main taskbar or stays hidden in the overflow. If an icon is already in the overflow tray, you can drag it onto the visible area for immediate access. Do that when you want persistent visibility. Conversely, toggle switches off for apps you rarely use. This method gives you granular control and explains why some icons disappeared. They were toggled off. Or finish by confirming your toggles. The taskbar updates immediately when you switch icons on or off, so visually verify the result. If changes don't take effect, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. This reloads the taskbar without rebooting. As a fallback, sign out of your account or reboot the PC to clear lingering state. If a specific app still reappears, open the app's own settings and disable its notification icon to stop it from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.